Hi guys, I'm back with the dip powder mani. So on my right hand, I have one coat of CN Designer Dips Peel Base, which is CN Designer Dips is a shop on Etsy. I love that peel base. And I am using Dashing Diva Fast Bond. It is a nail glue, no UV LED lamp required. And I found these Beetles nail tips on Amazon. These are coffin medium. And on the back, it comes with two methods. It tells you two methods that you can apply these tips. Either you can use nail glue or nail glue gel that requires curing in an LED or UV LED lamp. And so these are different than the other Beetles nail tips that I had quite some time ago. And so I'm using three different colors here. I'm using French White from IGel Beauty, Clout from Color My World Dips, which is a shop on Etsy, and I'm using Love Bite, which is IGel Beauty's Ooh La La powder. It's a softer powder, and I will be using Color My World Dips Odorless Dip Base and Activator. The activator is not odorless. So we're going to go ahead and get into this dip powder application. And I am this mani now. I love Marvel stuff, DC comic stuff. No, I'm not a comic book reader, but I love like the movies. And so I bought these decals a long time ago, maybe last year, from Spirit Art Designs. They're Black Panther decals, which I loved. Black Panther, that was like one of my favorite Marvel movies that I've watched so far, along with the one that has everybody, I forget the name of it, the Avengers. And so I was like, well, it's Black History Month. No, it's not Black History, because these are not real people. But you know, I wanted to do this mani using the colors in the decal, which are purple, white, and black. So just hang out with me while I do this application. So once I get 2 coats of color on all nails, I could have done 3 if I wanted to. It wasn't bulky. I am going in and applying activator. Now, one thing with my activator, I didn't encapsulate the color in clear. You don't have to. A 3rd coat would have sufficed. And so I'm going up with my activator and I'm wiping the brush off on the little tattoo towel that I have there. But what happened was I didn't realize I had black dip powder on there. And so when I went to activate the black and wipe the brush off, it stained. And so I was wiping it, and then coming up you'll see I had black all in my activator brush. So I popped that out and replaced it. And so this is after fouling and buffing of the nails. They're not thick at all. I am using 2 different water slide decals from Spirit Art Designs. The first one is Long Live the King, of course Black Panther, inspired from the movie and the character. And I decided to cut out the Wakanda Forever. And then these also are decals, Still I Rise, from Spirit Art Designs. And I wanted to use the decal that had all of the characters from the movie in there. And so I'm going to cut those decals out, spray them with water. And while I'm waiting for the water to release the decal from the paper backing, I am going to go in with Nail Reserves, the base, and cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So after my nails are finished curing, I'm using the other end of that paper towel to remove excess water. And then I'm just going to place the stamper on the nail with my nail stamper. You can do it whatever way you want to. You can put it on with your hands, some tweezers, whatever works. And so I found with these decals, or lately with the decals that I've been using, I'm just trying to smooth them out. And dip base will allow you to kind of move that decal around. If you use something like sticky base coat or nail primer, it won't let you move the decal around that much. Well, actually probably not at all. And so I'm just smoothing that out to the best of my ability. Off camera I did cut off excess decal, and then I took a file and filed off excess as well. And so I'm just placing Wakanda Forever on the nail and smoothing that out. Now with the decals I do apply base coat, Nail Reserves base coat, and cure, and then I will apply top coat to all nails. Now off camera I did apply some black nail striping tape down the sides of Wakanda Forever just to give a little something extra. I was going to add some little like triangle, they're not really gems, or on the finger with the black, kind of symbolizing T'Challa's Black Panther necklace that puts his costume on, but I decided against that. I thought this was real simple and real easy. And so coming up is the finished look. You want to make sure that you apply your favorite cuticle oil after your nails have cured in the lamp. So please like this video if you found value, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free $99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.